Most people wake up each day without ever questioning how the world around them continues to function. The food on their table, the clothes they wear, the devices they use, everything seems to appear effortlessly, as if modern life is powered by some invisible magic. But behind the quiet routine of everyday life lies a global machine, so vast, so fragile, and so hidden that most of humanity will never realize how close the world comes to collapse. Every single day. It stretches across oceans, deserts, frozen ports, unstable regions, old industrial corridors, and secretive corporate networks. It has no president, no central control, no visible headquarters. And yet, it sustains 8 billion people. It is the shadow supply chain, a worldwide system of ships, warehouses, minerals, satellites, factories, pipelines, and labor hidden beneath the surface of civilization. It is the true circulatory system of the planet. And almost no one understands how delicate it really is. You see, every object you touch, your phone, your clothing, your medication, even the food you eat, has traveled through a labyrinth of invisible steps. A journey across continents, a chain of rare materials extracted in unstable regions, processed in distant facilities, shipped by aging vessels, tracked by vulnerable digital systems, and passed through ports that were never designed to handle the weight of an entire civilization. And the deeper you look, the darker it becomes. A single port closure can cost the world billions in hours. A single cyber attack can cripple entire industries. A single shipping lane, blocked for a day, can shake global markets. A single rare mineral shortage can bring down the technology sector. A single conflict in a strategic region can transform supply into scarcity overnight. We imagine modern life as strong and resilient. But in truth, everything we rely on is held together by fragile threads. Consider something as ordinary as a smartphone. Its cobalt comes from the Democratic Republic of Congo, mined under dangerous conditions. Its lithium comes from Australia. Its nickel from Indonesia. Its rare earth elements from Myanmar. Its glass from Japan. Its microchips from Taiwan. Its assembly from Vietnam. Its shipping routes stretch through waters patrolled by multiple competing nations. One object, 7 countries, thousands of workers, millions of dependencies. If even one link in that chain fails, the world feels it instantly. And we've already seen the warning signs. In 2021, a single ship stuck in the Suez Canal shook the entire global economy. In 2020, a disruption in only a few factories triggered worldwide shortages that lasted years. In 2022, a lack of microchips nearly shut down the automotive industry. These were not isolated events. They were glimpses of a world built on a knife's edge. Imagine something larger, a major conflict in the South China Sea, where a third of global shipping passes, a wave of coordinated cyber attacks on logistics software, a global fuel shortage hitting shipping fleets, a rare mineral becoming inaccessible due to political tension, a megastorm striking a major port city, or a factory fire in a nation responsible for 90% of a crucial ingredient used in medicine. The supply chain would not simply slow down, it would fracture rapidly. And when one part fails, the entire system cascades into chaos. Supermarket shelves empty. Pharmacies run out of medicine. Factories go silent. Energy grids destabilize. National economies collapse. Modern society stalls. Because the truth is simple. Countries don't control the supply chain. The supply chain controls the countries. And hidden behind the public system lies something even more secretive. Undisclosed warehouses holding strategic reserves. We've reached the end of another video, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. We'll learn a lot from the videos I share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos. See you in the next video.